Hello, welcome to the EFT tapping meeting. Today's request for tapping is lower back. And according to Louise Hay, lower back pain stems from the emotional root cause of having financial insecurities or financial fears. Other stuff too, like just not feeling safe in our life, not trusting life. So let's do some tapping around that. And also, I want to share that I've done a lot of work for my lower back because that's something I've really suffered with. And doing a really simple lower back exercise, strengthening our lower back really helps with strengthening our physical, financial fears as well. So it goes hand in hand. When we work on our emotions, our body gets affected in good ways. And when we work on our body, our emotions and our life gets affected in good ways too. So don't discount taking care of your body to help you have a better experience in life. And not just because we're healthy, but because things around us start working better too. So let's tap. Tapping is one form of physical therapy. And I don't know if I would use the word exercise, but it does help. So let's start. We'll start with sleight of hand, and you can tap where I tap and repeat after me. Oh, I'll start with a prayer first. Dear God, please do your will for this tapping session, for all of us today here, and for everyone doing this tapping, and for everyone who needs this. Thank you. Please do your will, and please say the words for all of us. Thank you. I'm going to start with sleight of hand. Even though I have lower back pain, I still deeply and completely choose to love and honor my beautiful body. And even though I have lower back pain, I still deeply and completely choose to love and honor me. And even though I have lower back pain, I still deeply and completely choose to love and honor the pain and the message it's coming with. Because I choose to be that pain-free. Eyebrow. I have lower back pain. Oof, my lower back hurts. It's hard to do things when my body hurts. It's hard to get things done. It's simply just hard to be. My lower back really hurts. What in my life really hurts? Our back is there for stability. Where in my life do I feel so unstable, so unsafe? Do I trust life? Or am I afraid of life? Am I afraid life is out to get me? What in my life is making me feel so unstable? If I were standing in a very uneven surface, just trying to balance on all this uneven surface, my lower back would start to hurt. So just trying to notice where in my life it's so uneven. Where in my life would I like more stability? I'm not trying to judge myself or make myself wrong or make this unevenness wrong either. If the surface is uneven, there's nothing wrong here. There's no sin. There's nothing bad. It just is what it is. Uneven. That's okay. I can notice where things are not going right. And I can say, okay, now I would like something different. I would like to be pain-free. I would like to feel stronger in my body and back. I would like to feel stronger in my life. I would like to feel safe. Feeling safe is a basic human right. And if I don't feel safe, can I give myself some compassion? Can I hold myself through all these feelings of unsafe? What can I do to make myself feel safer? What can I do to support myself? What can I do to make myself feel less alone? One thing I'm doing right now is tapping on my face. At the very least, this action right now is proof that someone cares. Is proof that someone loves me. It's proof that I love myself enough to take care of myself. And if this is all I did today, tomorrow, this month, I'm doing great. Can I thank myself for taking care of myself right now? Thank you, me. Who else is going to do this for me? Thank you, me. I choose to honor myself in the best ways I know how. And if I don't know how, then I will learn. I choose to honor this pain for the message it brought me. And if I can't do that, that's okay. I will honor myself for not wanting to honor pain. That's my choice, and if that works for me, then great. And if I do choose to honor the pain, I will do it because it feels right. Because I can hear the message of pain I can thank it and let it go. Now I know I need to strengthen my back. Or maybe I just need to rest. But definitely, I would like to support myself more. And definitely, I would like to love myself more. And if I can tap as a way to care for myself, I can do other things too. Whenever I brush my teeth, I will remember success. I am supporting myself and my teeth. Whenever I shower, I will remember success. I am taking care of myself and my body. Whenever I drink water, I will remember I love myself and nourishing myself with God's wonderful love, universe's love, higher power's love. Whenever I do anything for myself, I will remember I am fully supported and loved. And as I settle into this knowing, I thank myself for doing this work, and with love, I release the pain. And take a deep breath. Thank you. That was tapping on lower back pain. I hope you got something from it. At the very least, I hope you remember you just gave yourself time right now. You just did a tapping. Thank you. Thank yourself. Thank you.